www.competentskills.com.
Sometimes you can encounter that the prospect says, I'm not interested. And the prospect can say this either at the beginning of a sales interview or at the very end when you're trying to close the prospect. He can say, I'm not interested. Now, what does it mean, I'm not interested? I'm not interested simply means that he's not sold on the idea. Okay, so it simply means that the person doesn't have that emotional connection, that logical connection with your product or with your service. And that is not a subject of objections. So I'm not interested. Sometimes it can look like an objection, but it's actually not an objection. It just simply means that you haven't sold it to the person yet. So instead of trying to handle it as an objection and trying to close the person regardless, you should go back to the point where you're selling it and you're marketing your solution to the prospect. You should not try to close him. Just go back and repeat the sales and repeat the marketing. Do some more sales, do some more marketing. You can increase the prospect's, emotional and logical connection to your solution. And if he says it right at the beginning, I'm not interested, he's simply saying I'm not interested because he doesn't even know what it's about. People are not interested about things they don't know, right? They don't know. How can they even be interested about? How can they even know that they're interested about? So that is the key factor over here is knowledge. So when a person says, I'm not interested, you should know that you have to increase the person's knowledge about whatever you're trying to talk to him about. Okay, so just increase the knowledge. Do some more selling, do some more marketing. That's all.